Let's make simple Daisy bookmark. Make a slip knot. Make chain of multiple of 2 plus 5. I made 33 chains. Insert your hook into third chain. Yarn over and pull up a loop 6 times. We should have 6 loops. Yarn over and pull through all 6 loops at once. Chain 1. Chain 1. Insert your hook in chain 1 of last stitch. Insert and yarn over at last stitch 6 1. Insert the hook, pull from space left. Yarn over and pull the loop from next to chains. Now we have 6 loops. Pull through all loops at once. Repeat for all. Once completed, make a chain 1 and secure the work. Now we will attach the tassel. Tie 2 knots to tightly secure. Adjust the length.